Now everyone knows Stan's no tubes for their tubeless sealant systems, and for 2016 we've got an all-new hub. Chris Curry is going to walk us through what's special about the new Neo hubs.
The Neo represents a huge advancement for no tubes. This is a hub we developed from the ground up with a set of criteria that we've advanced over 2 years of solid design work. The Neo is divided into two families. We have the Neo and the Neo Ultimate. Both share key characteristics that we wanted out of a hub. More durability than anything else that's out there. Total versatility. This thing's adaptable to fit just about any bike that you have. And incredibly fast engagement. That was our top 3 things that we wanted out of a hub, and we were able to get all 3 of them with the Neo. The Neo begins with a 100% CNC machined hub shell. That was necessary to get the precision that we needed out of the pawl system and everything we planned to do with it. This entire hub is created, all the internal bores, all the precision parts are created in a single pass with a machine. That makes for perfectly concentric bores, incredibly tight tolerances, and it's something we carry over into the axle as well. This axle has a 7-step process necessary to create it, potentially more steps involved in just making this axle than some complete hubs. It's incredibly strong, and it's also given a centerless ground treatment at the end, which is the same process they use on stanchion tubes for forks. We don't do it for the smoothness, we do it for the precision. It has such a tight tolerance fit with the bearings that the longevity is incredible on this. We have a torture testing device at home that we use for testing hubs, not just ours, but competitors. Our previous hub lasted 50,000 cycles. Our benchmark was 90,000 from what was out there on the market. The current Neos are over 250,000 cycles on the machine without a failure. Key thing with this, super fast engagement. The basic Neo has a 36-tooth ratchet ring, 4 pawls that engage simultaneously for strength, and that's giving you 10 degrees of engagement. The Neo Ultimate uses 6 pawls, engaging 3 at a time with the same 36-tooth hardened steel ratchet ring. That gives you 5 degrees of engagement, almost instantaneous engagement on this hub. Incredibly fast. Also reworked the durability. The bearings are 4 millimeters larger in diameter, 2 millimeters wider. The axle, incredibly stiff because of the process. And the end caps. We've created a system called Seal Lock that uses a U-cup, keeps this end cap retained in there. Every detail was sweated on this from a mechanic's point of view. Disassembly, the hub can be disassembled by hand without launching any parts anywhere. Special retainers keep everything in place. Everything is laser etched with a part number to make replacement easier. This has always been a priority of Stan's to make sure that we had the mechanics back when it comes to this.
Huge amount of engineering work has gone into that. It looks quite impressive. Now, where are we going to see these hubs in the wheel line?
First, going to see these hubs show up on our new Bravo. This is one of the most exciting rims for us in a long time. This is our new carbon fiber rim. Like our Valor cross-country rim before it, the Bravo shares our React technology. Unlike a lot of carbon fiber, this is actually engineered to be radially compliant. React stands for radio impact absorbing carbon technology. This wheel can actually displace 10 millimeters without being damaged. The advantage there, huge speed through rock gardens, through difficult terrain. At the same time, the lateral stiffness, much higher than our aluminum products. So this thing tracks incredibly well, and it actually rolls over everything faster. All we really did was take everything we learned from tubeless technology and how smoother is faster and apply it to materials of the rim. The carbon fiber technology absorbs impact, rolls faster. It's also going to be available on our upcoming gravel rim. This is our Avion carbon. This is our gravel disc and road disc wheel set, 28 millimeters wide. The ultimate wheel for a 30 millimeter wide, 32 millimeter wide gravel tire. This is first and foremost a durability piece. Everything from spoke lacing to construction, we want this to be a wheel set that'll take you wherever you need to go. This product will be available in the winter. The Bravo is starting to ship now, and both will be the first products to feature the Neo hubs. But all of our wheels are moving over to the Neo hubs, including the Valors, which are now beginning to ship with the Neo hub as well. We have a Pro version that includes the Neo Ultimate hub and a Team version that includes the Neo hub.
That's great stuff. Thanks very much, Chris.